Sometimes when opening IC chips, hoping to find gold wire bonds inside, you may instead discover silver or aluminum wires. This happens because not all chips are made the same. Gold wire bonding was common in older or high-end chips due to its excellent conductivity and resistance to corrosion. However, many modern or low-cost chips use aluminum or silver instead to reduce manufacturing costs. Signs you found silver or aluminum wire? The wire appears bright white or slightly dull gray, not yellow like gold. It may tarnish over time, unlike gold. It reacts to acids differently. Gold doesn't dissolve in nitric acid, but silver does. So finding silver instead of gold isn't a loss. It's just a result of the chip's type, age, and manufacturer choices. For gold recovery, focus on older ceramic chips, military-grade ICs, or CPUs from the 80s and 90s.